Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Nani, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Today, I'm back with a quick little healthy recipe. I decided to break out my juicer and make an immunity shot. I bought a juicer about 2 years ago. I had a surgery and I wanted to be able to still be healthy while I was unable to work out. And so I was heavily juicing at one point, but I stopped and hadn't used my juicer in a while. One of my girlfriends got a juicer recently and inspired me to break mine back out. So last week, I made an immunity shot that my husband and I were drinking throughout the week, and he really liked it. So he asked me to make it again. So I thought I'd just show you guys this quick little recipe in case you're interested in making it. It's so easy, and hopefully you'll like it if you do decide to make it. Let's get into it. So it's quite simple. Like I said, it is lemons, ginger, and cayenne pepper. Last week I added in water to dilute the lemon, so I think I will do that again this week as well. I thought about adding in some pineapple. I'm gonna taste it and see how I like it, just for a little bit of sweetness, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do about 6 lemons. Is that what I have? Yeah, I have 6 lemons that I'm gonna cut up and juice. The juicer that I'm using is the Bella Pro Series. It's just a 5-speed digital juice extractor. Like I said, I've had it for 2 years. I think I bought it from Best Buy. So I'm just gonna slice my lemons in half. Luckily, the juicer that I have, I don't have to peel the lemons. Just gonna cut them up a little more, maybe into 4s, just so that it's not so much that it has to break down. So as you can see, 6 lemons produced about 400 milliliters of juice. Next up, I'm just gonna cut my ginger. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm not even looking at the recipe that I originally followed, but I believe about half of this would be enough to go with the juice. So I'm gonna cut this and then peel it. Because it's so much lemon, I think I am gonna just do the whole thing. Just gonna remove the juice from the juicer. So here's what I have. Like I said, it's a little over 400 milliliters, obviously still mostly lemon. So I'm gonna add a cup of water to it. I'm just gonna get some water from my refrigerator. Probably just gonna do a tablespoon of cayenne. I'm just using this long cocktail spoon. It'll fit in here. I don't want to do too much. I feel like last week I did way too much, but this is, if that will focus, that's how much I'm gonna put in here. And then we're just gonna stir. I didn't add in any pineapple like I said I was going to, because I have to start working and I don't feel like cutting up a pineapple, but this is what I end up with. I'm gonna get a glass. I need to get another one. But that's one filled up, and then the other one. It's not gonna be that much in this one. But that works out, because that's how much I made last week, so it ended up being just one and a quarter, I guess. I'm horrible at math. Just gonna shake it up to mix it up a little bit more. What I've been doing is every morning just taking a shot of this in a little shot glass. Good. Spicy. Not as spicy as last time, so that's actually better. I think I used too much cayenne last time. Oof. Anyway, let me know if you guys already are making these, or if you decide to make them. I'll link. It wasn't that complicated, but I'll put in exactly what I did. And if you are interested in more videos like this, lifestyle, luxury, travel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.